Ripples is a dashboard for monitoring channels from social media like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. If you've ever wanted an easier way to manage and monitor multiple social media accounts and channels, Ripples is just that. But there's more to Ripples and a ton of features, so that's what we'll explore in this video. The first option you have on Ripples dashboard is Galaxies, which are these pre-curated playlists to give you examples and ideas for setting up your own Ripples. The preset Galaxies playlists can be a good resource for monitoring different topics as well. Clicking play on one of them and you'll see the real-time streams appear on your dashboard. As you can see, it's a side-by-side display of channels from the different social media platforms. Once you've checked out Galaxies and how it works, it's time to create your Ripples playlists. Click My Ripples and you can add a new channel just by clicking the plus button up here. You'll see the options for picking the platform are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. You will need to make sure you've connected your social media accounts to Mandala AI. And if you haven't, then the system will prompt you to do that here. Each of the platforms require you to grant the necessary permission and connect your own account to comply with their data policies. So once you're connected, adding a Facebook or a YouTube channel, you can search the page or channel name here and make sure you're selecting the right channel and then click confirm. For Twitter or Instagram, make sure to use the exact handle or account name or username. And again, click confirm. TikTok limits the public data access, so you can only use your own channel from the TikTok platform. Once your channels are added, you have your first playlist. View the channels side by side, or you can click mixed view to see the chronological order with the most recent at the top. Keep all your playlists organized in albums with clear names, and then you can navigate easily from the side menu here. The playlists also have a keyword filter function for easy searching of a specific word or a term. So here is a playlist I created earlier where I can monitor different social media channels from the different teams in a popular sports league. It shows everything that these teams are posting on all their official channels. And of course, I have the engagement stats to see what's generating those likes and comments. And I can click the eye icon to view the original post, or I can quick view videos without leaving Cosmos as well. One of the great features of Ripples is that we can also add keyword channels for both Twitter and YouTube. These keyword channels will display content from any social media channel that's using the keywords you select in their tweets or YouTube descriptions and tags. So it's another great way to monitor those teams or any brands or other keywords that you come up with. Add a keyword in the same way that you add a channel by clicking the plus icon, then select Add Keyword. Ripples has some more features that are geared towards the deeper data analytics capabilities of Cosmos, and we'll be covering those in the next video on how to gather and analyze mentions data from Ripples.